for the People's National Party of Jamaica. This is your boy Jah Child, and I'm gladly a proud person to say what I'm about to say about the People's National Party and for all the things that they do for my ancestors and my people before us and before the people them before me and you know what I mean. I want to say big respect to the National Party. See, uno a milestone to Jamaica. The things that uno bring to Jamaica, the people them that uno save from poverty. I sit aside and watch this leading party taking disadvantage of Jamaican people. And it's a shame and a disgrace to know that I live in America and I can feel the people in pain in Jamaica under the Labour Party government. No disrespect. We are all human. Not because we say Labour right or we say PNP. I think the world should be treated as one nation. No care who in power. But when I see that's the growth in Jamaica, it's only for one set of people. And it's going in one direction. It hurts my heart to see our people suffering under the hands of the JLP party. So I'm sending my message to Jamaican people. Be wise. Come back to reality. Come back to your senses. And know that we need a change. We've been waiting on prosperity. We've been waiting for all the false promises them. All we can see is Jamaica going backward on this government. We are been repeating ourselves over and over again with our people. When our people them gonna stop ask for road? When our people them gonna stop ask for light? When our people them gonna stop ask for water? The enough is the enough. Jamaica, may this be the last election for Jamaica, for this Labour Party to be in power ever again. It's a reason why we put the Labour Party, the PNP party, for 18 years. 18 years. It's a reason why you give them to run the country for 18 years. That means these people are doing something great. So we want back this Jamaica. We know we're going to go through some tough mile and some tough decision.